If you're new to stand-up comedy, there's a good chance you're starting your set wrong. Most new comedians think they need to get on stage and ease themselves in and tell the audience a little bit about themselves, and then after a while get to the joke. And of course, in doing this, they bore the whole room to death. The best way of doing it is to get a laugh as soon as possible. And there are one of two ways in which we can do this. First, we can do a punchline straight out the gate based on the stereotypes that we so obviously come across. The second way of doing it is to point something humorous about the venue, about the room you're in. So in this video, I'm going to talk about these two techniques, the best ways of entering into your set and setting it up so that the audience understand that you are humor first and your sole intention is to make them laugh. Understand how you come across when you first get on the stage. We need to understand the stereotypes that the audience are naturally going to put us in. And it's true for every single act you've ever seen. If you've been at any gig, as soon as a person walks on stage, your brain gets to work in thinking what kind of a person they are. What stereotypes can we put them in? Even before they grab the microphone, we do it first based on their look. And the second wave of information we have on a person is when they first start talking in the microphone. Then we hear their accent, how they pronounce the words. And then after all of this is done, we come to the conclusion very quickly if they have confidence, if they're going to be worthy of our attention for the time they're on. The first part of this is understanding the audience do put us into these stereotypes. And the second part is to understand what stereotypes they are putting us in. It's usually the most obvious traits that we have as humans. We need to approach all of our comedy from the stereotype that the audience are putting us in, meaning the audience need to be correct in the first assumptions they have about us. So as soon as we walk on stage, we need to be telling the audience exactly where we're going to be coming from comedy. And it's going to be the first three things you think about yourself on the most basic level. Usually with me, for an example, it's going to be the fact that I'm from Ireland and I'm quite sarcastic and I talk a lot about drinking and I talk a lot about religion and Catholic guilt growing up in Ireland 90s. Pretty much all of my comedy, everything else I have to say, regardless of the topic, is going to come from the point of view of those three stereotypes. So when the audience put me in that stereotype, well, it matches all of the comedy that I have prepared ahead of time. So I'm in unison with the audience. Okay, so let's move over to the second technique of starting a set correctly. It's to highlight something in the room. There's always going to be something to make fun of. There's always going to be something to highlight. Doing this, the first thing you say on stage, is going to result in the audience knowing that you are here to play ball. You are here to get a laugh first. Also, you haven't sacrificed any of your written material with this technique. You get on stage, you highlight something funny about the room, it gets a quick laugh. Doesn't need to be a big laugh, you just need to get a laugh straight away. It gives you a huge confidence boost because you haven't yet used any of your written material. How good it feels to have done a joke and not sacrificed anything you've prepared. Get that joke about the room out of the way first. Give them time to get on board with who you are and then go into your prepared material. If you like this video and you like my teaching style, then I am proud to offer a personal critique of your stand-up comedy performance. I will highlight everything you're doing correctly and show you how to lean into it more to make the set punch even more. So if you're interested in that service and you want to support the channel, drop into the description box. The email address is there. Give me a shout. I'd love to hear from you. So to sum up, next time you walk on stage, you should be looking for the joke 5 to 7 seconds into your set, because if you start off correctly, the rest of the set will look after itself. All right, see you in the next one.